Kids Zona. Okay, dyan. Ay, ito yung Kids Zona. Oh. You're going to the Kids Zona na. Wait lang. Careful. Pio, ganito dito tingin pa. Ano yung gwapong ngiti? Ganyan pala yung gwapong ngiti. Ay.
Ngiting naka-kidsona.
Ngiting naka-kidsona. Success.
The best. Kaya lang nag-poke, no? Nag-poke ikaw dong, no?
Nag-poke.
Nag-kus mo dyan.
Paano mo na magalit? Paano yung magalit? Ganyan pala. So funny.
Be careful.
So funny dong na.
Be careful.
Wow! Can I buy some cake po? Pabili po ako. Ito po, pwede po pabili na po ng cake po. Wow! Ay, lagay mo sa plate. And then you give it to mama. Ay, sabihin mo, here you go. Oh. Wow, yummy cake. Ay, lagay mo sa plate, lagay mo sa plate. And this in the bayad. Wow. Wow, here you go. Saan po yung sukli ko po? Where's the money? Oh, thank you po.
One more.
One more? Okay, thank you.
Grocery tayo daw.
Ande. Wow, ay, grocery daw po ikaw. Grocery.
Can I buy one piece of cake?
Ay, buy ng cake. Ay, busy na naman siya. Ay, bigay mo daw, Mama Bel, yung ano niyan.
Dong. Dito lagay dong. Kuha tayo ng corn. Dong. Pampia. What's this, oh?
Pia, this is your basket. Mag-grocery na ikaw. Buy mo si Mama ng corn.
I love the corn.
Can you please buy me a corn and grapes? Okay.
I am the teller, dong. Give me your money, dong.
Mama Bell is a cashier. Eggplant. Can you please buy me an eggplant? Wow! This is the money. So, kapag nag-buy ikaw ng ano, ito yung bayad mo. Cook, ikaw, dali, cook, come here. Here, Pio, cook, ikaw.
Ice cream.
Milkshake, please. Can I have milkshake, please?
Happy day from Kidzuna. Parents and guardians, a friendly reminder to please check your stock and your checkout time. Thank you!
Yung ice cream.
Sana, one
Here's
fish.
the plate, Sir.
Order kami po.
Sir.
Dito may lagay. Wow.
Wow, thank you so much.
Thank you. One order, please,
How
na.
much is this? Here's my payment.
Nanguha si nanguha si Mama Mel ng bayad nak mismo dyan. Can you give me ano po, coffee?
Coffee?
Coffee, dito po. Lagay po dito, sir. Coffee po, dito po lagay. Thank you po. Thank you. Can I order one tuna po? Ayan po, tuna. Ayan po yung tuna po. Tuna. Thank you. Dito, dito.
Dong! How bright you are, Dong. That's great job, Dong Dong. You did a great job, Dong Dong.
Talino mo naman. Walang galawan yan kasi may tayo yan sa puwet. Si ate mo. Taray. Go, go, go! Let's go! There's a zombie! Harry, Pio, Harry! There's a zombie! Go, go, Pio! Go! You can do it, boy! Go, go, go! Go! Go, go, Pio! We can do it! We can do it, boy! You can do it! There's a zombie! Oh, very good! Wait for me! Wait for me! Oh, video mo si Mama! You can do it! You can do it! Ah. You can do it! Let's slide! Pia, can you please look at here? If there's a shark? Aha. Wag ka dyan.
Ay, may gina.
You check the baby. Wow. No, here is your ano.
Syringe. Inject.
Grabe naman. So scary. So scary naman yan. Ay, kunin mo yung booger ng ano ng baby. Oh. Oh, you get the booger ng baby. Get it. May booger ba yung baby chick mo?
This one daw ka. Pump it. Pump. Kawawa si baby. Kawawa.
Oh, it's a skeleton.
Medicine.
This one is a skeleton.
Medicine.
Skeleton.
Give medicine to the baby.
Medicine, please. Give it to the baby, please.
Ipaslip on the baby. Ipaslip on dali.
Ah, lagay mo na dito yung baby girl. Dali, get sa bed na.
Yung baby. Ipaslip mo na. Ipaslip. Oh.
Oh.
Wait, baby.
Ayan na, ayan na. Oh. Oh, very good, Kuya. you serve me a yummy foods, please? Wow, hiwain mo, hiwain mo. Hiwa. Nag-cook na ikaw. Ano yung kinook mo?
Attention parents and guardians. The Kidzuna app